system dot out dot println. Hello everyone, I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. Okay, so this is a first video on getting started with Java. Okay, means we are going to start a programming language which is Java programming language. If you are in class 9th or if you are in class 10th of an ICSE medium school, you need to learn a programming language which is none other than Java programming language. Okay, now for few students Java is a very easy programming language, and for few of them, in fact most of them, Java is a very tough language which you need to understand. You can't do anything. Okay, you need to learn Java programming, and Being Bookish will help you to learn Java programming with very ease. How? First of all, I got 98 marks in my boards exam. How much marks? 98 marks. So basically I would be telling you how was my approach, towards a programming language Java. What did I do to make 98 marks? Okay, so this is going to be a very important video for students who are going to start a Java programming language. Okay, the first thing which should be talked about Java is that Java is a programming language. Now what do we mean that when we say a programming language? Let me tell you this in some different way. Suppose I want to say you hello. I want to tell you hello. I just need to say hello and nothing else. But in a programming language, the work is same. You need to print hello, but in a certain different manner. Means there you need to write some code. The work is same. Understand this very clearly. The work is same. Suppose, let me take another example. I want that you should find the sum of 5 plus 5. What is the sum of 5 plus 5? Obviously 10. So I communicated with you by telling in a computer programming language. We cannot tell computer directly that do 5 plus 5. No, it is not going to listen. For that we need to write some code in a programming language. The programming language has a variety. Okay, not only Java is a programming language, but programming languages are many like C, C++, Python, and there are many more. Okay, now what will be my approach? What will be my approach means how am I going to deal with Java? Means am I going to deal Java with theoretical things or mainly programming things? See here, in your boards, the total marks for which the paper will come is 100 marks. Okay, 100 marks. And out of 100 marks, 60 marks is reserved that this is going to come for programming. Means there are going to be more questions, but mainly you have to do any 4 questions, and each question will comprise of 15 marks. So that makes it 60 marks. Okay, so these 60 marks is reserved that this 60 marks will come for programming. Great. Now what about 40 marks? Out of 40 marks, there is going to be about 30 marks which is going to be output finding. Now if you don't know what is output finding means, a code will be given. There will be a code and you have to predict that what it is going to print, means what it is going to give the output. Understood? So to know that what is the output, you need to learn the programming. Okay, suppose there is a sentence which is written in English. So to need to understand that what is the meaning, you need to understand what is English. Okay, so if you know English, then only you can know the meaning of the sentence. So similarly, to know the output finding, you need to learn the program only. Then only you can say na what is the meaning of that line. So we have now 10 marks left. This comprise of 90 marks and we have 10 marks left. So this 10 marks is for like define or question answer. Question answer. And these question answers will come for 10 marks, and out of 10 marks there would be only few things which you need to remember, like 2 or 3 marks, or maybe 10 marks also possible. But if you know programming in a very good manner, means what each and every line is telling, what are the concepts, okay, so you can easily get 10 marks here also. I am the proof, believe me. Okay, so you know that 60 marks is from program, and if you know program you can easily get 30 marks, which is output finding, and these 10 marks can also be achieved. So the basic approach would be to know the programming language, to know the program, how the program is going, how we will learn each and every line of the program. So I think that my approach is quite clear to you. The very basic thing is that I am going to mainly deal with programs. Believe me that me and including my few friends who have scored 90 plus marks in computer science, means in Java, they have did almost 100 plus programs, and I have also did 100 plus programs of Java. So what basically I am telling you that you need to mainly focus on programming languages. For class 9th you need to understand some terms and which you need to learn something. Okay, you need to mug up something, some of the question answers. But as you will be gradually going to class 10th or heading towards class 10th, you would be knowing that if I know programming language, then I can easily get 100 marks also. Okay, believe me, you can get even 100 marks also if you have learned and understood all the concepts. So I am going to mainly deal with the programs. I am going to take many programs in my this course, Java learning course. Okay, and believe me, through teaching each and every line, you will be getting good marks. Please believe me, you would be getting very good marks in your exams or anywhere. Okay, so this was all about from this video, just an introduction video. Okay, so from the next video would be coming of the first programs in Java, the first program of Java, which is none other than Hello World program. We usually call it as Hello World program, in which I would be teaching that how we are going to print. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification to on, so that you can get all my videos directly to you. Okay, so that's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.